Good morning, friends. Today's math lesson is 6.5, and we're going to solve addition word problems, add to. So our objective today is to solve addition problems, story problems. We are going to have so much fun with that today. So let's continue. Listen to the solve and share.
4 squirrels are eating lunch at the squirrel feeder. 2 more join them. How many are eating at the feeder now? Show how you know in 2 ways, and then explain how you know.
All right, so we're going to have to show 2 different ways to do this problem. So the first thing is there was 4 squirrels eating lunch. All right, so we're going to use counters today. Okay, how many were eating lunch at first? 4. 1. Whoops. Did I get it? No, I better make it. So I'm going to get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 more joined them. So I'm going to put 2 more. 1, 2. Okay. How many are eating at the feeder now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another way to show that is with an equation. So I'm going to get my pencil out. How many squirrels did we first see? 4. And then we're going to add some more because some more come along. So adding, how many more? 2. All right. And then we need to count the whole group. So I'm going to put a circle around it because we want to know how many all together. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So our answer is 4 plus 2 equals 6. I showed it 2 different ways. I showed it by using counters and I showed it by writing an equation. All right, let's continue. All right, let's listen to our video.
What is happening in the picture? There are dogs in the water and dogs running toward the water. How many dogs are in the water? 6. How many dogs are going to join them? 3. You can draw a picture to show what is happening. What does the picture show? There is a drawing of 6 dogs and a drawing of 3 more dogs, circled with an arrow to join the other group. The 3 dogs also have an arrow to show that they are joining the 6. How can you find how many dogs there are in all? You can count all the dog pictures. What does the picture show? This picture shows 9 counters. How is this picture similar to the other 2 pictures? They each have 9 in all. You can also use an equation to show what is happening. 6 plus 3 equals 9. What does the 6 in the equation represent? What does the 3 in the equation represent? There are 6 dogs in the water. 3 dogs are joining them. What does the 9 mean? Nine is the number of dogs in all.
Now you know different ways to show an addition problem.
Great job, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our guided practice right away. All right, so we get to tell a story and then we get to solve the problem. It's kind of like we're detectives. All right, so we're going to start at number 1 here in the start, and it says, listen to the story and then we'll do the work. There are 6 sea stars on the beach. One more joins them. How many in all? So first of all, we need to show that 6, do you see that? 6 starfish were at the beach. One more joined them. How many in all? So this is one way they showed by like this. And you can color those if you want. Another way is we started again, 6 starfish on the beach, and then one more joined them. How many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to make a 7 here. Whoops, what is that? Here, let me erase that. Zoom. I don't know why it did that. Writing with the computer is kind of difficult. Same with you guys with the iPad. Sometimes it doesn't always turn out how you want. Equals 7. All right, let's take a look at some more guided practice. All right, so I will tell you the stories and then we can solve the problem. Number 2. 3 birds are sitting in a tree. Do you see it? 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a 3 there for us. Okay, 3 birds are sitting in a tree. 7 more join them. Okay, so this plus sign is a joining sign. So you're joining 2 things together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. How many birds are sitting in all? So they're asking us how many do we have all together. Whoops. So I'm going to circle this. And that's equals. All right. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. So our equation is 3 plus 7 equals 10. All right, let's take a look at number 3. Okay, here's the story. 5 squirrels are looking for food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that group. So I'm going to put a 5 here. 4 more join them. Okay, joining, we're going to put in addition a plus sign. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many squirrels are in all? Whoops, I'm going to finish my 4 here. So when they're asking how many in all, they want to know how many all together. So we're going to circle them and count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so we'll make a 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Great job. Let's take a look at number 4. We're going to use counters now because we have to not only, so you can draw them or put them with a circle, okay? So number 4 is there is 1 turtle at the beach. Boop. 5 more walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many turtles are there in all? Okay, so we'll have to figure out how many altogether. But let's write the equation first. How many turtles started? 1. And then how many joined in? Do you remember? If you don't, we just can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So we're going to make a 5. How many turtles in all? So we're going to put an equal sign because we want to know how many when they're all together. So we're going to circle and then we're going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put a 6 here. So our equation is 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 turtle plus 5 more equals 6. Great job. Now let's take a look at number 5. We're going to get our counters out again, so you can just make circles to represent. 5 squirrels are looking for food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And 4 more join them. Oops, did I get that wrong? I'm sorry. I did. Yes, let's go back. Can I take those back? Let's see. I wonder if I can erase them. Maybe. Oh, I can. Let's start that over. I'm sorry, you guys. I was reading the wrong one. I was reading the one we already did. So let's grab back to counters again. Number 5 says, 2 turtles swam in the water. So let's make 2 turtles. 1, 2. 6 more join them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many all together? Okay, so let's write this equation. How many started? 2. Yep, there was 2 turtles. Then how many more join them? Do you remember? If you don't remember, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Shoom. Now we want to know how many all together, so we're going to put our equal sign, okay, and we're joining them. Okay, how many all together? All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 turtles all together. 2 plus 6 equals 8. All right, let's take a look at your independent practice that you're going to be doing on your own. All right. The first one, and all the directions are on the bottom here, but the first one you are going to, I will read it to you. 4 girls play at the beach. Okay, and we can just demonstrate, but you can do the rest, okay? 4 girls played at the beach. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boys joined them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? All together. Okay, so you have to figure that out. Number 7. 8 children rested in the sand. So let's put 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 kids resting in the sand. 1 girl joins them. How many? All together. So you have to write this group, put it down, write this one, put it down, and then figure it all together. Number 8, 2 boys are playing in the water. So I'm going to get my counters out again. Okay, 1, 2. 5 girls join them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to know how many all together. So you would circle them and then put that number here. So how many in this group? How many in this group? How many all together? Now this one is a tricky one. So I am going to do a little bit for you, but I want you to be able to think about it and try to do the rest. All right. So 7 children built a sandcastle. Some more helped them. There were 10 children building in all. So there was 7 here, okay? And all together, there was 10. Okay? So there's 7 here. And there were some more that joined them. And by the time they were done, all together, they got 10. All right? So you need to figure out how many more joined the party. Okay? Figure that out. Take a picture and post it on Seesaw. Make sure you also post the guided practice one that we worked on together. And then, yeah, so then I can see how you're doing. Today we're going to do our small group. We're going to actually do that on Friday. So we'll get to do more of this on Friday. But you'll have some stuff in Seesaw to practice also these addition items. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to let you go. If you have any questions, make sure you have family message me or call me. All right, have a super day.